Shri Bhagwati presents Drum Filling Machine. A drum filling machine is a specialized industrial equipment used for filling drums, barrels, and other large containers with various types of products, such as liquids, chemicals, powders, granules, or even hazardous materials. These machines are designed to automate and streamline the filling process, increasing efficiency, accuracy, and safety. Key components and features of a typical drum filling machine may include: first, conveyor system. The machine may have a conveyor system or roller platform that transports empty drums to the filling station and moves filled drums away from the filling area. Second, filling nozzles or spouts. These are specialized nozzles or spouts through which the product is dispensed into the drums. The number and type of filling nozzles can vary based on the machine's configuration and the specific product being filled. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.